160 PR Disassembly. Measure the adjustment screw position before disassembly. Start by rotating the adjustment screw counterclockwise until no tension is present. Next, remove the spring casing screws with a bolt driver. When the screws are removed, remove the spring casing stem. Next, remove the circlip. A circlip plier is needed for removal. Remove the circlip with the pliers. Squeeze and pull to remove. Remove the guide bushing, spring, and spring steps. Guide bushing, spring and spring steps. Next, remove the diaphragm assembly. Brace the yoke with a wrench. And remove the stem with an Allen key. Remove the stem from the yoke. Remove the upper clamp plate. The record finish faces the diaphragm. The diaphragm can be installed on either side. The yoke features a record finish. Remove the inner valve with a wrench. Loosen by hand. Inner valve. The yoke. Disassembly complete.